Hello and welcome to Spark Learning. In this video, we will use the distributive law to solve multiplication problems. The distributive law allows us to solve multiplication problems easier that involves large 2 or 3 digit numbers. We can do this by finding the answer using partitioning, multiplication, and finally adding the values together. For example, we can use the distributive law to solve 40 times 7. We know that 40 times 7 is the same as 4 times 7 plus 1 times 10. As you can see, we have distributed or split the 40 into 2 units, 4 and 10. Now all we need to do is multiply 4 times 7, which equals 28, and then multiply this by 10, and we get 280. We can also use the distributive law to solve 38 times 9. We know 38 can be broken up into 30 and 8, and all we need to do is multiply both numbers by 9. Well, 3 times 9 is 27, so we add on the extra 0, so 30 times 9 is 270, and 8 times 9 is 72. Then we add 270 and 72 together to find our answer of 342. So 38 times 9 is 342. Now it's time for a few practice problems. Use the distributive law to solve the multiplication problems on the screen. Pause this video here, and when you're ready to go over the answers, press play. Okay, let's start with practice problem 1. We will break up 79 and multiply both numbers by 6. 70 times 6 is 420 because 7 times 6 is 42, and we simply add on the extra 0. And 9 times 6 is 54. 420 plus 54 is 474, so 79 times 6 is 474. Moving on to practice problem 2. We break up 45 and multiply 40 by 7 and 5 by 7. 4 times 7 is 28, so 40 times 7 is 280, and 5 times 7 is 35. Then we add the products together. 280 plus 35 is 315, so 45 times 7 is 315. For practice problem number 3, we partition 86 into 80 and 6. Then we multiply both numbers by 8. Well, 8 times 8 is 64, so 80 times 8 is 640, and 6 times 8 is 48. 640 plus 48 is 688, so 86 times 8 is 688. And finally, for practice problem number 4, we split 92 into 90 and 2, and we multiply both numbers by 5. 9 times 5 is 45, so 90 times 5 is 450, and 2 times 5 is 10. We add the two products together. 450 plus 10 is 460, so 92 times 5 is 460. And there you have it. That is how you use the distributive law to solve multiplication problems. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational videos. If you're looking for useful teaching resources like worksheets, lesson plans, task cards, posters, and more, visit the Resources for Teaching website at resourcesforteaching.com.au. We'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.